feel the power, I can feel the power. Yeah, money that is time and hour. Yeah, I better activate the power. I'ma activate it, gotta make it, gotta chase it. I don't care what they be saying, I'ma do it now. And I've been really safe and I ain't giving up and I ain't giving in. Do it now for the dividends, I'll be on the path, I just gotta get it. Cause I got my mind off a bigger thing. So man, I ain't gonna give in now, I just gotta live this now. I be gonna be man, I'ma kill this stuff real quick. I'ma go take it to town, cause I gotta be that king in the ring. When I'm knocking him out, when I'm back with the blue. Cause I am just up on the journey, just know that I'm just going insane. I see, and when I do, I can never get no sleep. Cause I just need to get it, man, I need to be the thing that I just painted out, man, you won't go see. See my vision, I'll be in it, I'ma kill it, I'ma take it dog. Come in there, I'ma play it now, I'ma kill him dog, I'ma play the ball. Cause I gotta go and get him and I really just need it. Tell these guys that they can beat it. I'ma give it, I'ma grab it, man, take it, never receive it. I'ma make it mine, I'm explosive like a mine. I've been working every time, yeah, I do it on the grind. I'ma shine, yeah, every single day. I'ma kill this competition cause I'm going so insane. I really go as I was saying, yeah, I guess really ran through the pain. But I'm just back on my path and I fixed it now, it's really all okay. So I ain't gonna waste my chance and just my time. So I'ma be a monster, I'ma kill him, this is mine, yeah. I got a million desires that I just need to go achieve. I just need to inquire, so I be climbing up this ladder, yes I'm